Hello everyone, I'm your host 5-Minute Tutorials, where in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make an outline shader material under 5 minutes. So without any talk, I'm just going to go straight to the video because I don't want to waste anyone's time, because this is my 6th attempt on making the video. Okay, anyway, so as you can see, we have an example of what we're gonna achieve. So I made this monster, and on the monster you can see a really cool outline shader material thingy. So you can also do this. So first of all, let's select our cube, which is going to be which we are going to apply our shader material on. And after that, we're going to add a new material, which is going to be our base material. You can add literally any color to it. Okay, then what we're going to do is add another material, and this is going to be our outline material. So we're going to change the surface from principal to emission and change the color to full black. Then enable backface culling. Okay, and now we're pretty much done. Now there's only one part left. So in your modifier section, add a solidify modifier. Now it may seem strange, but just bear with me. So in your solidify modifier, just go to the normals, enable flip, and in your materials, like in the material section, change the material to 2. So this is gonna be our emission material or our outline material. Now we're pretty much done. You can just change the percentage or the parameter of the thickness, and you can see we have an outline material. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. So we have a pretty cool outline material, and now you can go wild with this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I know I've not been uploading for a while. It's because of everything. I'm a bit busy with studies and other stuff. Okay, I'm gonna post another update on that later, but for now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, as it would really help me again. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.